Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So the sum before you is quite confusing for most of us, okay? But today I'm going to give you a mathematical hack which will make you do them quite easily, okay? So we'll try and figure out the secret behind, okay, such sum. I'll call this a sum, a dubious sum, right? So let's go and straighten this up, okay? Shall we? So here, okay, first thing is that I see a cube here too, but something is missing majorly. And what that is, as per the formula a minus b whole cube, we have a cube minus b cube minus 3ab and a minus b, isn't it? So we have this, okay? In the question we have a b cube also as per this. If we are matching, we have a 3ab, a minus b, which is not visible at all here. So what could be a favorable step that would take us across and settle with this, okay? So let's try and figure that out. So to me, what I feel is that can we do something so that the 6y turns into a 3 somewhere, or we can get something like our a is this and b, so a difference of a minus b here. Can we? So let's go and start our operation, right? So here we go. So I'm trying to twist a little bit of the 6y so that we get, okay, an appearance of this kind of a formula, right? So we know that 6y can also be written as 3, okay? Let me put a curly bracket. And our a is x plus y, correct? And my b is x minus y and the curly bracket closed, correct? So if I were to simplify inside, I would get 3, curly bracket begins, and x plus y minus x minus minus plus y. All right, so we can get rid of x here, and therefore I have 3 and 2y inside, correct? Which means that I can easily write 6y as this, okay, in this, okay, expression, algebraic expression. So having resolved to this, we now can write this in a manner so that the appearance is a replica of this, all right, in terms of its different a's and b's, correct guys? So far so good. What about the next step? Can you guess? Having done this, I feel we can configure this, okay, by and try to, okay, do it as per this. We have our a cube, b cube, a minus sign here, okay, and we also have our ab2, okay. This portion we already have. This portion we have done it here, which is equal to 6y, right? So have you understood so far? In case you have any doubt, you can always write to me, but I'm sure by the end of this lesson you will have picked up, okay, a knowledge about how to, okay, crack this kind of a sum. All right, well, this will be clear as I go ahead, okay? So now coming down to this, x plus y whole cube minus x, okay, minus y whole cube minus, okay, 3. All right, remember 3, and then we copy this down first, okay? So we have our a and b here, x plus y and x minus y. Alright, so what next? We have still to write our a minus b, isn't it? Which exactly we did here. Okay, got it? So which we ended having a 2y. Remember guys, I haven't written 6y here. Deliberately I have written 3 here so that the 2y that we get it out of the difference of a minus b can be settled here. Remember, this is a delicate sum. You have to understand each and every step very, very clearly. Alright? So, if I were to write this portion, okay, I would next write a is my x plus y, got it? And b is my x minus y, got it? Now, did we not do this? Okay, this portion is equal to 2y, got it? So x plus y minus x minus minus plus y, which we did exactly here. X gets cancelled with a positive, minus x gets cancelled with a positive x, and 2y remains, which means we know that this is 2y and this was already there. This 2 was there, 2y, which will give me equal to 6y. So we haven't kind of compromised on the sum. Okay, we have tried to reassemble it and make it appear like the identity which we have, which means if we have found our a cube minus b cube minus 3ab as per this and a minus b, we know that we have, okay, found our a minus b whole cube, correct? So which means our next step would be, okay, this a minus b, remember guys, and this is the cube. Okay, this entire thing is equal to this. Got it? So what next? So how do we simplify further? Obviously, we'll break the bracket inside. Let's keep this curly bracket. So minus plus minus x minus minus plus y. Okay, and we have a cube here. So this gets cancelled with this and we have 2y inside. Alright. So if there is a 2y inside and there is a cube outside, it means 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8 and y cube. And this exactly is the answer after we find, okay, the simplified version of this. Alright guys, so wasn't that easy? So these are the little tweak or tricks that you need to be aware about, okay, so that we are able to, okay, chalk our way through such complicated sums. Okay, so I hope you have understood, but for those who still need a little bit of reinforcement, as this is a very complicated sum, I need to reinforce. So we have this sum, okay, simplification, x plus y whole cube minus x minus y whole cube minus 6y and x plus y multiplied by x minus y. Alright, now having got this, we found that this wasn't in alignment with this identity, but it was kind of indicating towards this identity itself. But we needed to do some twist and turn so that they come out, okay, foolproof, and we are able to, okay, do it with a lot of conviction in a manner that would have proven our question. So we took something, okay, like 6y, which seemed a little, so to our eyes, that what is 6y doing here? We do not have our a minus b clearly. We have ab, but we do not have the difference of a minus b. So if this was missing, okay, with reference to this sum, so which is what we tried and, okay, and found out that x plus y minus x minus y, okay, was eventually giving me 2y's, and which when multiplied by this got to be, okay, equal to 6y. And now we know why 6y was sitting over here. It was sitting in disguise. 6y was nothing but 3a minus b. 3a minus b. AB was very much coolly sitting over here. AB had no role to play here. Alright. So AB we had found, but a minus b was a bit in disguise, okay, which we were able to unfold. So I hope you people have understood. So thank you for giving me so much of time to explain you this, and I'll come up with some more videos of this kind, so that whatever, okay, fear or phobia or whatever you have for this kind of a sum, okay, that all is, okay, written with, and you are more on a firm ground. Okay guys, so have a great time. Thank you so much. If you like the video, do subscribe, share and like. Okay, that's a boost that we look forward to from our students, our subscribers and everybody who's watching too. Okay guys, so have a great day. Bye bye.